Okay, now welcome back. Now let us see what is Cramer's rule. Now this is the simplest method again and very interesting also, and determinants you are going to use in your 11th standard also. There is one special chapter on determinants. Okay, so now let's see what is the determinant method, that is Cramer's rule. You know the general form. What is the general form of the linear equation? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, now here we are dealing with the simultaneous equations, so I am going to write the two equations, that is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, and say this is equation number 1. Then a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, say equation number 2. So like this you are going to take two equations. Now here variables are same but the coefficients are different, that is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. This is the standard form in which you are going to write each set of equation when you are going to use Cramer's rule for solving. So you have to write the equation in this form only, that is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Now from this we are going to get three determinants. Okay, now let us see what is the first. Now first determinant is denoted by d, and that is equal to. Now what you are going to do, you are going to take only the left hand side part, that is a1x plus b1y, a2x plus b2y. Out of this we are not going to take the variables, only coefficients we are going to take into the determinant, and that too as it is in the same form, like d is equal to a1 b1. Now here second equation a2 b2. That's all. This is d. Okay, so how you are going to get d? You are going to write the equation in standard form. After writing standard form, just take the coefficient of x, y simultaneously with the same equations. Don't change the order. If you change the order, the answer will also change. So a1 b1, then a2 b2. Okay, like this you got d. Now you are going to write dx. As we are dealing with two variables, so here dx is equal to, again it is a 2 cross 2 determinant. Now I'll give you a simple method. Now when you are writing the determinant dx, in that case you are excluding the coefficient of x. Now here what are the coefficient of x? That is a1 a2. So what to write in place of it? So in place of 8 we are going to write the constants, that is c1 and c2. Again order will be same. So I'll repeat, when you are writing dx, in that case you are excluding the coefficient of x, and instead of this you are going to write the constant, that is c1 c2 and b1 b2 as it is. I hope clear dx. Easy. So similarly, now if you are going to write dy, in that case, now can you tell me how you are going to write? Yes, correct. You all are very intelligent. Now we are excluding the coefficient of y, and in place of that we are going to write constants. So I'll repeat, when you are writing dy, in that case you are excluding the coefficient of y, and instead of that you are going to write constants. So and the a1 a2 as it is. So here it is a1 a2 and c1 c2. I hope it is clear to you all. If you are very much clear with this, then Cramer's rule is very easy. So first thing, that you must able to form the determinants. After forming the determinants, now the rest of the work is very easy. Now when you want to find the value of x, you are going to write x is equal to, now as you are going to find the value of x, so we are going to use dx. Okay, so it is going to be dx upon this d. Simple. So when you are going to find the value of x, in that case you are going to write the determinant value of x divided by the determinant value of d. Okay, similarly if you are going to find the value of y, yes, can you tell me? Correct. What you are going to write? Shabash, that is dy upon t. So like this you can find the values of x and y with the help of Cramer's rule. So this together is called as Cramer's rule. So I'll brief it out. The general form you know, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We are going to write for solving the equations by Cramer's rule in the standard form, that is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Then how to form the determinants? Now d is equal to, first d when we are finding, you just take the coefficients of x and y, that is a1, a2, b1, b2, or if you are taking horizontally, so it is a1, b1, a2, b2. When you are finding the dx, in that case you are excluding the coefficient of x. In place of that you are going to write the constants c1 and c2 and b1, b2 as it is. Similarly, when you are finding the determinant dy, in that case you are excluding the coefficient of y, and in place of that you are writing the constants and a1, a2 as it is. So the determinant is a1, a2, c1, c2. Now then when you are finding these values, after that you will get the value of x, that is x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon t. I hope the Cramer's rule is clear to you all. Okay, now in next video we are going to solve from the practice set the examples. Okay, so let us see you in the next example.